The world of work is changing. More people are working remotely. Businesses are hiring virtual assistants or VAs. VAs provide support from anywhere. This is a great opportunity for newcomers. Being a VA offers flexibility. You can work from home or anywhere. You set your hours, you choose your clients. No experience is needed to start. There are many resources available. This guide will help you begin your VA journey. Let's get started and turn your ambition into a thriving business. You don't need to be an expert to be a VA, but some basic skills are helpful. These skills are in high demand. Email management. Learn to manage emails effectively, organize inboxes, draft professional emails, scheduling and calendar management, master online calendars, schedule meetings and appointments, send reminders, communication skills, communicate clearly, respond promptly, be professional and friendly. These skills are a strong foundation. You can learn and improve as you gain experience. Technology is essential for VAs. Here are some tools to learn. Google Calendar. This free tool is popular. It helps you schedule appointments. It manages your time effectively. Trello is a project management tool. It organizes tasks. It helps you collaborate with clients. Communication apps. Use Zoom or Skype. These tools help you connect with clients. You can have meetings virtually. Learning these tools is important. They will help you work efficiently. You will impress your clients with your skills. Finding clients is key to success. Here's how to get started. Network. Tell people you are a VA. Talk to friends, family, and online contacts. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect VAs with clients. Create a profile and bid on projects. Social media. Use LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Showcase your skills. Connect with potential clients. Remember to be patient. Finding clients takes time. Be persistent and don't give up. Section 5. Building your virtual assistant business. Once you have clients, it's time to build your business. This is where the real journey begins. You need to establish a solid foundation to ensure long-term success. Here's how. First, define your services. Decide what you offer. Focus on your strengths. What are you really good at? What can you provide that others might not be able to? Define your services. Decide what you offer. Focus on your strengths. Examples include social media management or email marketing. These are in high demand and can be very lucrative if done well. Set your rates. Research industry standards. Determine your worth. Look at what others in your field are charging and set competitive yet fair prices. Don't undervalue your services. Remember, your time and expertise are valuable. Charging too little can undermine your business. Create a contract. This is crucial for protecting both you and your client. A well-drafted contract outlines the terms of your agreement and sets clear expectations. Use a contract for every project. It doesn't matter how small the job is, a contract ensures that both parties are on the same page. This protects both you and your client. It provides a legal framework that can be referred to if any disputes arise. It outlines the scope of work. This includes deadlines, deliverables, and payment terms. Make sure everything is clearly stated to avoid misunderstandings. Building a business takes time. It's not an overnight process. Be patient and persistent. Focus on delivering excellent service. Your reputation is everything. Happy clients will refer you to others and help you grow. This will lead to more clients and growth. Consistently providing high-quality work will set you apart from the competition and ensure your business thrives. Section 6. Setting rates and managing finances as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, one of the most crucial aspects of your business is setting the right rates and managing your finances effectively. This ensures that you are compensated fairly for your work and that your business remains profitable. Setting rates can be tricky. Here's what to consider. Hourly rate. Charge an hourly rate. Track your hours diligently. Invoice clients regularly. When setting an hourly rate, consider your experience, the complexity of the tasks, and the industry standards. Make sure to use time tracking software to keep an accurate record of the hours you work. This will help you invoice clients accurately and ensure you are paid for all the time you spend on their projects. Set a fixed price for the entire project, project rate. This is ideal for tasks with a clear scope and timeline. It allows clients to know upfront what the total cost will be, and it can be more efficient for you as well. Make sure to outline all deliverables and deadlines in a contract to avoid any misunderstandings. This works well for defined tasks. Value-based pricing. Charge based on the value you deliver. This method involves setting your rates based on the value you provide to the client rather than the time you spend. If your work significantly improves the client's business, you can justify higher rates. Charge based on the value you deliver. If you save a client time or money, you can charge more. For example, if your services help a client increase their revenue or reduce their operational costs, you can set a higher rate that reflects the value of these outcomes. If you save a client time or money, you can charge more. Managing finances is important. Open a separate bank account. Keeping your business finances separate from your personal finances is crucial. It makes it easier to track your income and expenses, and it simplifies tax preparation. Open a separate bank account. Track your income and expenses. Consider using accounting software. Using accounting software can help you manage your finances more efficiently. It allows you to keep track of your income, expenses, and profits in one place. This can save you time and reduce the risk of errors. Track your income and expenses. Consider using accounting software. Regularly review your financial reports to understand your business's financial health. This will help you make informed decisions and ensure your business remains profitable. Section 7. The importance of professional development for virtual assistants. The VA industry is constantly evolving. Continuous learning is crucial. Here's how to stay ahead. Online courses. Take online courses. Learn new skills. Expand your knowledge base. Webinars and workshops. Attend webinars and workshops. Stay updated on industry trends. Network with other professionals. Join VA communities. Connect with other VAs. Share tips and advice. Learn from each other's experiences. Never stop learning. This will make you a more valuable and in-demand VA. Section 8. Embrace the virtual assistant lifestyle. Being a virtual assistant or VA is more than just a job. It's a lifestyle choice that offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. Imagine being able to set your own hours, work from the comfort of your home, and avoid the daily commute. But with this freedom comes the need for discipline and structure. One of the first steps to thriving as a VA is to create a dedicated workspace. This isn't just about having a desk and a chair, it's about creating an environment that fosters productivity and focus. Designate a specific area in your home solely for work. This helps you mentally switch into work mode and signals to others in your household that you are working. A well-organized workspace can significantly boost your efficiency and help you stay on track with your tasks. Keeping your workspace tidy and free from clutter is essential. An organized desk not only looks professional, but also helps you stay focused and reduces stress. Invest in some good office supplies and storage solutions to keep everything in its place. Separating your work life from your personal life is crucial when working from home. Set clear boundaries to avoid burnout. Use planners and time management apps to schedule your day effectively. Allocate specific times for work and breaks and stick to them. This will help you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Staying motivated can be challenging when you're working alone. Set both short-term and long-term goals to keep yourself driven. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. This will keep your morale high and give you a sense of accomplishment. Connecting with other virtual assistants can provide you with much-needed support and camaraderie. Join online communities, participate in forums, and attend virtual meetups. Sharing experiences and tips with others in the same field can be incredibly beneficial. Embrace the challenges and rewards that come with being a VA. Every job has its ups and downs, but the unique benefits of being a virtual assistant make it a fulfilling career choice. Learn from your experiences and continue to grow. Remember, you are in control of your career destiny. The choices you make today will shape your future. Embrace the virtual assistant lifestyle and take charge of your professional journey.